Ayeye bantu abasha yeye. Ayeye bantu abasha yeye. Ola 7 ola. Uzoyithola kanjani? Engathi uhlezi khona. Thank you very much, Honorable Deputy Minister Loy, our Honorable Minister of Employment and Labour in the Republic of South Africa, Honorable Thulas Nxesi. Siyabonga mphathiswa ukusilethela uhlelo oluhle kangaka. Sibingelele uPremier wethu okungokuqala wesifazane kule province enhle siyithandayo. Premier uMama Nomusa Dube-Ncube. Honorable Premier, we greet you. Imbokodo egijimayo esebenzayo ake nishayile ihlombe lembokodo. We wish to recognize the Deputy Speaker of the Legislature yaKwaZulu Natal ubaba uThemba Mthembu, Honorable Mthembu. We recognize inkosi ubaba uShini ukungena osihlalo we-Provincial House of Traditional and Khoisan leadership in our province. We recognize the councillors who are here. I recognize the Speaker of Gugu Municipality, Councillor Ngobo, and many other councillors who are present, senior government officials led by the DG, the provincial HODs and senior government officials from the municipality, Siyanbingelela, all the entities that are present today. Ladies and gentlemen, members of the media, good morning, Sanborn. We are happy to join you this morning for the official launch of this important program in our city. On behalf of people of eThekwini municipality, we'd like to extend our warm welcome to everyone who is in attendance today. Ladies and gentlemen, we also wish to thank the Department of Employment and Labour under the leadership of our capable Minister Thulas Nxesi for choosing our city as a venue of choice to unveil this initiative. We are also grateful to the Premier, Honorable Nomusa Dube-Ncube, for her continued leadership and support to address various challenges we have faced as a city. Ladies and gentlemen, the launch of these labor activation programs is yet another example of government's commitment to improve the lives of our people for the better. I recall, Honorable Minister, that when we were still in the Youth League and those who are still leading in the ANC Youth League, we've been making a call in the Republic of South Africa that there is an animal called experience, and that animal always presents its ugly face when young people want to apply for the jobs. Njalo mawuhamba kuthiwa iphi leya experience sengathi icosho esihlahleni sikapelepele. We then lobbied the government. The ANC Youth League then lobbied the government that we must scrap the requirement of experience in all entry-level jobs, and I'm certain that all of you have seen that, and I'm also proud and confident that in our city, when you apply for an entry-level job, we don't require your experience, we require your CV, and we require your performance in the interview. That means the African National Congress-led government does listen, and it is a government that cares whenever young people are making a call, and this government respond positive to that call. Enye kunento ehamba isifefezwa lapha kuthiwa when you are over 35 years, Honorable Minister, uqashwa. There is nothing like that. Lo muntu osuke yena engena qualification yento ethize mesihamba etshena abantu ukuthi thina over 35 asiqashwa. Isemaphoyiseni kuphela lapha kunomgomo njengalo ngoba sifuna amaphoyisa semancane azogijima kakhulu abophe igebengu ngoba igebengu zina 16 years. So mangabe uthi iphoyisa libe ngangomeya uyakumajina ngijaha umfana na 16 impela eqanceleze baleka uzozajika phenduka athi woza phela woza. So ngcono siqashe bona labalingana nabo because we want them to curb crime in our society. Siyafisa futhi ukusho ukuthi ayikho into enjengaleyo kuma programs, even I program kaMongameli PEP sikwenze kwacaca ukuthi bonke labo abangaphansi kuka 35 years be constitute 60%, mase ukuthi abangaphezulu kwa 35 be constitute 40%, ukusho ukuthi akekho umuntu onganikezwe ithuba ngoba mase kuvotwa akekho ekuthiwa akangavoti ngobe over 35. Honorable Premier, we also thank your government that here in the very same venue, you were here to launch a program, Yama driver's license and learner's licenses. La khona uhulumeni nikeza abantu abasha ama learners nama drivers engabathengile ama license uhulumeni ngoba wathengwa. Ebanikeza lo train mase beya qualify ukudrive. So ke aba 4000 bebalontsha lapho Premier kule dolopha, sibonga kakhulu Honorable Premier. Thina ke ngoba sinenkinga eningi zenhlekelele besisabhekene nazo, sisathatha aba 500 Premier sonyusa njalo ngonyaka sibanikeze mahala ama driver's license eThekwini. Siqhubekeke, we wish to state that the municipality, as the municipality fully support this initiative. We believe that if young people are to become active participants in our economy, they must be properly equipped for the job market. Therefore, we want to thank the government of the African National Congress in this country for continuing to work towards achieving noble goal of a better life for all. Because we understand the frustration that comes with being unemployed, we have been constantly encouraging young people to become activists in their communities and work with government to bring the positive change in their neighborhoods. We are of the view that community activism, among other people, is one of the crucial steps in building future leaders who will put South Africa among leading nations in the world. Sihlezi nama scientists la endlini, sihlezi nama pilots, sihlezi nabo bonke abantu. We just need to unleash that potential so that they can perform better and build this country. We also believe that as government, we ought to prioritize the promotion of spirit of entrepreneurship among the youth. As the municipality, we have committed ourselves to work with all relevant stakeholders to unlock new opportunities in areas of economy where there is great potential for the city. Honorable Minister, a uniform, the mama kids, are going to Olympics by the team of South Africa, are going to Commonwealth Games by the team of South Africa. Ayethungwe la adizanwa youth ya la eThekwini athungwa la eThekwini basishayinisa ke lapha eJapan bengena kwathi hawu yayinhle South Africa konke kwaqhamuka la kuleli dolopha through our programs on the emerging designers that we fully support as a city so that we unleash their potential to produce. For example, as a coastal city boasting a long stretch of coastline, we must explore economic opportunities in the maritime and oceans economy. We are engaging local institutions of higher learning to develop strategies that seek to align the educational programs with the needs on the ground. Ladies and gentlemen, our quest to empower the youth is inspired by our struggle stalwarts and former African National Congress President Oliver Tambo, who said, and I quote, "A country, a movement, a person that does not value its youth deserves no future," I close quote. In this regard, we want to congratulate the Department of Employment and Labor for taking this initiative to all corners of the country. We have no doubt this program will have a positive impact on the ground and change the lives of many of young people who find themselves hopeless because they are unemployed. They still occupy the ranks of unemployment. We want to wish you all, participants and beneficiaries in this noble program, success in the future. Working together, we can improve the lives of all South Africans. Siyabonga kakhulu sinifisela inhlanhla kubo bonke lokhu enikwenzayo nemisebenzi enizongena kuyona namathuba enizowanikezwa. Kodwa nihambeke nifafaze ivangeli lokuthi lo hulumeni akabayeki abantu behlezi bengasebenzi. Kukhona kwenza ukulungisa impilo zabo futhi uzoqhubeka onje ungaphezulu kwakwenzayo. Ngakho leyo ndlela sihambe ndawonye. Siqhubeke sikhumbulane ngaso sonke isikhathi noma sekufike leso sikhathi sokuthi kukhunjuzwane ukuthi lo hulumeni akaqhubeke nemsebenzi noma angaqhubeki senze okufanele simvotele. Siyabonga kakhulu.